Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my experiences using cruelty-free skincare and makeup on mature skin. Today, I'm going to be unboxing 2 Petit Vour boxes. Here's what happened. My February box did not arrive until early March. Petit Vour always comes late in the month, but I think what happened this time was February was a short month. Plus, toward the end of February, there were a lot of really bad storms all around the country, which slowed down the mail. So that one came in early March, and March was a busy month for my family. Most of it was good things, but we had a lot of things distracting us, and I wasn't able to film very much. Then I got the notification that my March box was coming, so I decided to wait and unbox both of them today. Since I'm going to be unboxing 2 boxes, I'm going to do a quick review of my January box first and then move on to the unboxings. So let's get started. Here is my January box. And the first thing in here is from Inkling. It's Inkling Gossamer Perfume. I love this scent. It smells so good. This is the second mini roller ball that we have gotten from Inkling, and the first one was the scent Sultry. I still think Sultry is my favorite, but I love this one, Gossamer, also. I don't wear fragrance to work. We can't wear fragrance in my workplace, and a lot of times on my days off I don't wear fragrance either. So these 2 mini roller balls are going to last me a really long time. I figured I would never buy either one of them because I wear fragrance so rarely, but when I got on the website to see how much the full size costs, I saw that it's only $65, which is not a bad price at all for a really nice scent. And the bottles are gorgeous. They're lace wrapped steel flasks, and I'm a sucker for gorgeous packaging, so I may just buy one or both of those someday. The next thing that was in our January box was this. This is the Lychee and Gold Healthy Glow Rose Gold Blush from Seraphine Botanicals. This is a really pretty blush. This is what it looks like. And here it is swatched. It's a really pretty pinky peach color. I mostly wear cream blushes these days. I've fallen in love with cream blushes. But if I am going to wear a powder, this is the kind of shade I like. Problem is, I already have 2 other powder blushes in similar shades. This is the one from Flower Beauty. This is the Peach Primrose shade. I'll swatch it next to this one. And then this one is from Milani. This is the shade Luminoso. This is the Milani one on the bottom. Then in the middle is the one from Seraphine Botanicals. And then the one on top here is the Flower Beauty one. I wear powder blushes so rarely, it doesn't make sense for me to keep all 3 of these. All things being equal, I would keep the one from Seraphine Botanicals because it does have such beautiful skincare ingredients in it. But I've owned both of these 2, the one from Milani and the one from Flower Beauty, for way too long to feel comfortable giving those to someone else. This new one from Seraphine Botanicals, I can spritz some alcohol, clean it up, and give it to a friend and feel good about that. So that's probably what I'm going to do. But it is a beautiful blush. If I wore powder blush more often, I would keep it. The next thing that was in that box in January was this. This is the Seaweed Bath Company. And it says on the card it was supposed to be the Purifying Detox Facial Bar. But what we actually got is the Exfoliating Detox Body Soap. And I'm not mad about that at all. I'm happy it was this one instead of the face bar. I don't need another cleanser. I have way more cleansers than I can ever use. But I do love using body bars, and this is a great one. It is exfoliating. It's got a lot of grit to it, but it also has a lot of moisturizer to it. So it's like a body scrub in a bar, and I love it. Smells fantastic. It says it's with Arabica coffee and cinnamon, and I guess that's what gives it that wonderful scent, but I do love this. And the last thing in that box was from Evan Healy. This is the Oil and Water Balancing Ritual. Now, I really wanted to love this because I do like Evan Healy. And when I first used it, I did like it. What it is a little bottle of face oil and then a little spray bottle of facial mist. And what you do is you mix these two together. The first couple of times I used it, I did like it, but I couldn't figure out where to fit it into my routine. It's too light to be used as a face oil at the end of the routine, and it's too heavy to be used at the beginning of my routine as a toner. So it didn't really fit anywhere in my routine. If I didn't use serums in the middle, it would have been a good product for the middle of my routine, but I like my serums that I use every single day. I have active ingredients in those that have made a difference in my skin. So I'm not going to replace those serums with this. The other fatal flaw for this one for me is the scent. The first couple of times I used it, I didn't really notice the scent, but then the last couple of times I used it, I noticed a kind of a fishy scent that I did not like at all on my face. So I'm not going to be using these. I don't feel comfortable passing these on to anyone else because I really don't see a good use for these in most of the people I know in their skincare routines, and the smell just really turned me off. The good thing is, I think most, if not all of this packaging is recyclable, so I don't feel too bad about not using it. So that was it for the January box. The value, according to Petit Vour, was $47, which is a little bit below that $50 mark that they usually say is their minimum. But even if I take off the $10 for that Evan Healy product, which I didn't like, that still leaves me with a $37 value on this box. And for $18, I still think that's good value. I'm very happy. I love the fragrance. I'm gonna give a friend this blush and feel really good about giving that to someone. And I love this body soap. So that box was a big hit for me, even with the one failed. Okay, let's move on to the new boxes. This is the one, let me get the right one here. This is the one from February. And I've cut away the tape, but I have not peeked inside yet. Oh, here's the card. Petit Vour always sends us such pretty cards. Let me get my glasses so I can read about everything. Okay, this first thing is from Voss. It is the Perfecting Potion with a retail value of $28. Let me find it in here and see what it is. It says, get a natural, healthy glow with this velvety, multi-use illuminating primer. The breathable, ultra-thin formula naturally adjusts to your own skin tone, delivering rich moisture for a hydrated, dewy finish. Let's test it out here and see. We've gotten several products from Voss in previous Petit Vour boxes, and I've loved everything I've gotten from the brand. Okay, it goes on white. Then, oh yeah, rubs in nicely. Oh, this is pretty. That is definitely an illuminating primer. There have been quite a few illuminating primers released recently from some mainstream brands. The Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, I think, kicked it off, and some other companies have come out with ones too. So I'm happy to see one from a clean beauty brand. Yay, excited about that. That one has a value of $28 if I didn't say that already. Then the next thing in the February box was from Goldfaden MD. That's another brand that shows up in these boxes quite often. Let's see if I can find it in here. Oh, this is a pretty good size. Usually our Goldfaden MDs are very tiny. This is a good size tub. This is the Doctor's Scrub, and it has a value of $3.75, kind of specific. A daily facial exfoliator that adds hydration and removes dead surface skin, revealing brighter, radiant, healthier looking skin. I already use a daily exfoliant. I'll have to look into the ingredients on this one and see if it's something I want to give a try, or if I'm going to pass this one on to my husband. But sounds good so far. Then the next thing in this box from February is from Elate Cosmetics. Lip color pencil. Oh, good. I've been needing a lip pencil. Let's see what shade this is. Oh, that's a beautiful color. This looks like one of those lip pencils that you can use with some of your rosy, bright lip colors, or you can use it as an all-over lip color. Let's see what it says about it. It retails for $22, which is about right for a clean beauty lip pencil. Formulated with low environmental emissions and Cosmos Cert ingredients, this long-lasting pencil allows you to effortlessly apply color onto your lips as a liner or as a full coverage color. I'm really excited about having this. Very, very nice. Then the last thing in the February box was this. Oh, it's from David's. It's Premium Natural Toothpaste. I've heard a lot about David's toothpaste and I've never tried it. So I'm really happy to give this one a try too. It says that it has a value of $3.50. It says this natural whitening anti-plaque toothpaste is as clean as they come. EWG certified, fluoride and SLS free. Okay, sounds good to me. Excited about that one too. So February's box looks like a good one. We've got that illuminating primer from K. Voss. We've got a beautiful lip liner, a toothpaste, and then an exfoliating product from Goldfaden MD. Yay! I think I'm going to be happy with that box. Now, let's see what we got in March. Here's the March box. And again, I've cut away the tape because I'm terrible at cutting away the tape on film. It takes me forever. Those are beautiful flowers for the March card. First product in here, oh, it's from Johnny Concert. I have a Johnny Concert quad eyeshadow palette that I absolutely love. It's bright, vivid colors, but the formula is so gorgeous I can wear them without feeling like it's too much. I just think they're absolutely gorgeous shadows, so I'm happy to try another product from this brand. This is one of those brands I love finding out about, a really innovative indie brand. Let me see if I can find this in here. Here it is, Johnny Concert. I'm not sure, what is it? It's a Modit liquid lipstick. Retails for $25. It says infused with natural and organic fruit and evening primrose oils that keep lips soft and supple for a non-drying velvet matte finish, outlasting even the most active lifestyles. I've never really tried any liquid lipsticks. I got one time from CoverGirl. Tried it once, hated it, and got rid of it. But this, for one thing, the color looks very wearable for a liquid lipstick. And let's see. Yeah, I've been wanting to get more into these nude pinky brown colors for lips, and this looks like it's going to be a beautiful one. Yes, I'm excited about trying this. It's drying down to more of a brown color. And I really have been wanting to try something like that as a lip color. I don't have anything like that. And with it being from Johnny Concert, I'm very hopeful that I'll like this one. Very pretty. All right, let's see what's next in this box. From Plantitude, it's the Mandarin Orange Nourishing Cleanser, which retails for $15. Where that is in here. Oh, wow. Look at this, fancy. Comes in this gorgeous little drawstring bag. I love having things like this. I use these a lot in place of plastic bags. And this is a nice one. Oh, look at this bottle. Wow, that's gorgeous. See what it says about it. Full of bioactive, antioxidant-rich botanicals like acai, cranberry, raspberry, and citrus that will soothe and nourish your skin. Let's see what kind of texture it has to it. It's got a little pump bottle. I'm trying to get it to pump out here. Oh, it comes out pretty orange. It looks like maybe a cream cleanser, which I love. Oh, yes. Okay, I don't know anything about this brand, and I have tons of cleansers right now, but I am still so excited about trying this one. That one feels so silky and light on my skin. I think I'm really going to enjoy using it. Okay, next from Juice Beauty is the Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. Retails for $9. Says that aspen bark smooths and hydrates, bamboo, charcoal, and kaolin clay protect and detox skin, while exfoliants leave skin with a softer, even complexion. I've tried several products with kaolin clay in the past year or so and had a lot of redness and irritation from all of those products, so I'm very skeptical about being able to use this one, but I will do a patch test and see how it does, and if I can't use it, I will pass it on to my husband because he likes using things like this too. He's had some breakouts and it sounds like this one might be good for skin that's got a little bit of irritation and breakout going on. And then the last thing in here is from Uni. It's a shower sheet for $3. Oversized and super soft. This on-the-go wipe cleanses and refreshes every inch of your skin. And we got 2 of them. Camping season is coming and we just bought a new travel trailer, so we're going to be out camping even more than usual this year. So I'm very, very happy to have these. These will come in handy. That's it. That's my 2 boxes for February and March, and my review of my January box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. Just hit that subscribe button down below. Then ring the notification bell next to that so you'll know when I post new videos. Bye for now.